okay can say
ma kan nyina
you know answer na ebe ko asylum no na yen church base ne mu kaka
okay me pacho any okay mesra mo good lawyer person Dominic watch suri lawyer be kire me say bia mo a ye kan Queen's birthday ho asem dadada no bia ebi wa ha mo ye new afei na wutie nya ekwan bai na wo befa so visitors visa na wo hia anasa tourist visa enti lawyer ba be kire requirement enioma wo be hia wo betimi apply visa wo nko a wo betimi aba anasa se wo no obi na eba se bia minister bi wo hini bi se ne mekekan ba wo mu ni nyina ne de omo visa no diplomatic visa wo mo de ba but when wo be kire mu me ne wo mienu ya nko na mu yi ekwan a ye befa so ye benya visa no de aba Queen birthday enioma ye hia bia bank statement de ne ye beye me nkoye fake bank statement na wunya
enti yabaka asafa dated visa no
me pacho braso
na me sande ade kakra bi betu dwa for Ukraine visa sem no
Ukraine
na me nka ho asem kakra
like me so ka kan you no an kan you Ukraine president dey o ya osimebo
yeah enti em say UK aban wo hu say edu o how mreso. Now, we need to provide a sanctuary for people that are always facing war. And you know, money being in some for over 100,000.
Wow, 100,000 Ukrainians.
Yeah. Now, I'm saying, now if you say Ukraine for no, I have quite a few Ukrainian clients that. And now we disturb I say Ghana for you na akura kam ho bi.
Yeah, Ghana for Ukraine power.
Ti me say ene me ba me ka ho asem kakra bi. Because let me feel say yebusuya for Ukraine for na ye omajuma no. Ti me say no me be a special for Ukraine clients.
Oh, good. Na me sha.
I have quite a few
lawyer ma follow me mra kakra me.
Omo has ntina I was say ye hwese do mo family members no.
Ebeba. Oh, good.
Nti say ebia wo krum ha oye Ghana ni na ebia wawale Ukraine national and ne eti ha. Na wo enua bi ana maame bi ana papa bi e Ukraine ebi oko school ana say ebia or resident or Ghana for no quite a lot of them even have resident. Na wo wahasia ana so kuta Ukraine paper so Ukrainian. Na wo Ghana ni no ye British e wahasia. Na wo ni Ukrainian national ana so resident or ana so wawari to Ukrainian and a Ukrainian no say or no ye British ana say bi okuta EU and a wunya and a wunya and a wun opapa ana say oba ana say bibi
obusu bibi wo Ukraine.
Yes, there's a visa route that is open to all of us.
Oh, good.
You don't pay for a visa application fee. It's free.
Free.
Free. And you know, move for you book appointment. They do go through process no. Or qualify. You be more smart.
Na me sure na free no na wafa to ho so. Mama mo say ma lawyer Frank wa ya de
It's a tragic time, and you know.
We all
have to have. So few Ukrainian national I have my background refer at least yesterday about 10 of them that we had a meeting starting the process and help their family members to be here. And to also Ghana now be our connection.
What connection or what for lawyer
British has say. And you beat me also or ABBA. The government is not charging, so we're also not charging.
Oh, why?
We just to help the you know our neighbors and our friends in Ukraine and family in Ukraine. We all have to continue to pray for them. You know, it's a word and things that are going. We pray that the word will be safe. Then we come back to our queen.
Was it then we come back to our queen? Me pacho lawyer meba ma also what about those in Europe wanted to come and be part of the Queen's event? Obi o Europe so beti abamwa.
Europe there munis asem wo krom ha.
Uni say
muno mu ye can say mu ye European for betimi aba.
Betimi aba.
Anytime we are person the Europe asem a ye can so person be ye adwuma. So and I person betina how person go school. ene no untimi emma
assess
law emetna hanamo but so wo ba for visit here so you can say any part of Europe ubetimi aba. You don't need a visa to come here. You just buy your ticket and then you'll be here. But yenu mo yabusuafo na ye Ghana said na so ma no
ya chire mo mai mo pacho mo ti
una nani ho papa ni ha wo fa obusuani bia emma hada and to no average no your first generation to possibly average and see Oba breaching so I didn't say Ayana also nya busuani bi wa ha no amawo this invitation letter na yes and card akwaje
visa
say society ABA inti enipa who say sometimes nye only invitation letter nko ano and I obetimi abaha and yen kasam fa wade ho yen kasam fa ma yen kasam fa school ho the kan visit visa
na ya chipu for asylum
the asylum kakra from na afie bie kwana to hono enti ye chirechire mo a freely god advice said the abia woni sika wa betimi aye say wonso wo scan up say ye boa wa ye can say ye betimi so aboa. One of the things I'm doing say I've now got a representative in Ghana obetimi or Kumasi later I'm doing details
but there's a lawyer there one day
and so betimi home book appointment. They will take you through the process. All that we are doing is to make sure say any panenya service the service have to be at their doorstep because we be a friend lawyer say and sometimes I get very frustrated. But so I have to find a way to make sure that my people in Africa, in Ghana, can also be catered for.
Yeah,
so later the better a honomo, and I Mark Shark and Norman Smith and the better honomo.
Mark Shark,
I say over Fred Ghana for no, and I'll Fred Mark Shark. He will liaise with you and maybe a better call. Now, so open visit na abahanoma. Nanka unhi invitation, but uni papa, uni mami, uni nuya, ebi ohase. Enti kwambe esuna betimi aba. And now said the OTK sa platinum a unique.
This party a unique.
A bin seeder. I don't want to prophesy, but a be cry bin seeder. A
bin seeder.
So we dear kunya obetime another 70 years.
70 years we go family.
Anyway, but one of its kind. And Omani Twesi was said for the first time in British history said yes, celebrated Queen for 5 continual days. Now what would you take it into but me sure mono say different towns neighborhoods no
and cried dinner ewo honi be
Cornwall say big celebration party and so what your application now answer na make casa for ABA
visa no de no
yeah
monti o na ye chire mu ye
o pay slip no balance statement answer na me baso no your application ade out me also conceptualizing now what the beto opipa no so me say na we can share entry clearance officer na manatia say wo ma ha say that ena queen Edi nimre.
Edi ni birthday.
Odi ni birthday. E bin see that. Now I won't say United Kingdom. Ye no ma be brave. And so person obe share the rich culture of United Kingdom. So they emphasize the rich culture, the display of the rich culture of United Kingdom. One who say Congo person okosho Hans who would take it into the 2 Jano. Even BBC for also crown so ID another take it to be able to say special you can say musical expression
ewo Queen yes
and no free for nipa 5,000 and with me as a raffle
with me ababy a competition
when you take it now also beat me ababy on that day me hwe mu no na just say e go bia beat me apply bi enti wo beat me attra ticket ni bi ama you can so obusuani wo Ghana and I also call website wo beat me attra ticket no na wa chire mu say o ba be dey bi 10 days and also be 2 weeks said you beat me visit UK because time you saw any school no wo your application as wo ba be
landing bridge landing bridge for it now.
Yeah. But say the Ebro landing
bridge so
and when we bring the air coso and now we are part of Commonwealth our person will so experience be now when you sa background information when him say con be coso landing be coso that say no more year that say no more year enti wo no opese obehwe bia the next thing is say wo sika obetimi dey trapping ticket wo sika obetimi ahwe wo wo sika se wo ba ha na osan ekọ Ghana wo ho enkoche enti ano ye crucial question I was say ye buse ye ho enti no mu hia evidence ye che say wo say sika na obetimi atwa wo print ticket obetimi wo ba ha no a edan a obetena mu anase hotel na hostel obetimi obetimi afford wadia ni sika obetimi afford na wasan ko back e wo fi a ho enchre wo and so that is a question all of us are yes application I was see ebusa ye ho enu nti no se ye hwe that time no June e kona ya na print ticket ebo
den
nti answer na obey application nti wo mo frame nyina me catch on say me start application until late March
so we can say March
me start sa application said the bema amount for aboa wo mo ho most of the application will go out early April late April na the applications ni begum enti sa no nyina no mo amuti January
say say the maboa mo
ho say you are standing a good chance the application to ma day because visit application ayedin say omo dey ma wa edin pa enti wo ye also ye ni ye wo to obo hyehyehye ni nyina kama enti wo be check ya say June oko online ebia you can say British Airways and say Turkey airline no wa check say approximately around that time no in and out ebe cost say ebi ebe cost £900
£900
yes and now edo beba ha na san do beko okay uba obeda hostel and obeda hotel nipa ni bibra ye ya mo musike so no ye use hostel and ye nya some hostel bia ye no makasa nti omo na ipesi ye use wo mo enti wo he o budget ya because wo koda hotel at that time na when you are crying, be £50 a day. £50 a day, we that for 10 days here, which is 500. What they can 900 is about 1,400. A lot of money for somebody in Ghana. But you baby, me fan say for 10 days no. You bet me a budget around £100 or £150.
Wow.
Yeah, we are working on that. And it's a best £150 for 10 days here. Now they can't print ticket. Print ticket, they ain't me. I can't say.
Wow.
900. I'm saying 1,000. 1,150, which is a bit lower. Now we're doing DDA. And they are trim. So 10 days, no. Every day, I'll be spending £20.
£20.
Now they are 200. And you know, ubehunena wabejina about 1,350. So sana if you can see for an asset calculating. And he said, oh yes, application maybe I fancy depending on personal shopping, maybe I shopping best £500 or £200. It depends on your worth. Obi always scanner, you bet me a connect here, you bet me a hotel, Obi only scanner, you better connect to them. It be out £200 pocket money be at the better to normal. And to back carbon on average, it be £1,005 or convert to Ghana currency. Now, I was a sesicano. The next question is, so what 1,500? I will council. Now, Uba now be spend this SK now, Ukufia, obey. The entry currency also, like I said, me who saw 1,500 no. Then so, Uba spend this SK wing now for just 10 days. Menye sure. She's it's a lot of the bibi.
Yeah, but so they no.
It's a no most people my friend they may catch only say at least so ba na wo kwa we nya kora na I was say another 1,500 or 2,500 bank account. And to roughly no at least 3,500 our account so ma. E chere say any power oba na okwa obetimi enye sika no bi. And I will yes application also check every stage be a point how I be spend it with the how much you charge. And yes call online now the application now to now
tickets no ade atutum
and they refuse application also church room and internet name free advice e bia yen ka ho asem after and then on because from next 2-3 weeks near start here juma no enti ma person we am there without our support no me church room ye said the obetimi aye
wa betimi aye wa de ofie wu hia wo bia
but over say over yeah, I also charge for our professional service. And in at least also budget is a we need to 3,500 a day our bank accounts. 3,500 then it will go bank accounts.
It was so prove.
Yes. And see, and yet 3,500 no we are now akwaji obisika boom.
Na dia betu.
Obehu say scan be demo for the purpose of this application. You may refuse so. Enti a kwabes na betimi I justify say we sales gawe enti we pay slips requirement to pay slips so
so
we adwuma will be a government institution or private enterprise be a so no yet pay slips amount for at least 3 months. We a business owner so a business owner or business
company registration
tax returns clearance invoices autonomous bia we adwuma wo so
KJT bia wo tonton toast ba yire nneoma a wo ma receipt only pay slip wo jiska wo di gunsem
no invoices receipt because bia okoto you can say entire any free another shop into another shop no agi receipt if you say normal we better free wo hono me to na bia £1 size sikana woje ejom sikana wojeje ye nkakra na de ball on toma no o de fakoto bank ya receipt ya chese all this kind of koto bank no ibe hia because obi wana no this kind of koto bank na so na receipt no
attract to people receipt
o bebu sa say usikai ehimfa na free buy o de koto bank okay evidence ya way but say wo de no o ye petty trader we juma o makola
petty
trader so ye juma o makola na say KJT na say ugina aboso kan na otonton wo no ma na who was sad 3,000 I was here for kwan so e bit ma justify sad 3,000 no nje ni udi nkomo na yehu baby iskani free bar because ade ba ko a so man was here too masne say they are working on two things. One to also check money laundry. Says
money laundry if one could be
yes can and alpha kwaboni so any this can and they are under obligation under money laundry and a terrorist act no to know the source of the money and into I'll be so until so me yeah scan yes scanner be them you refuse no na minister accounts me better na metimi
akọ the source of the income.
The source and we need to explain the source of the income.
Okay,
it is a income no accounts no man the most very important thing say obetimi actual source.
Not just a bank statement you mean, no?
Yes, then of course, then you come to your bank statement. And after say we will invoices, we pay slaves, we company evidence, a chesa will yeah money in the ultimate you see your bank statement for the next 6 months, 3 months. But men first cannot enkugumu abra untimi justify. Obi onso a oton na saasibi. Obi onso a oton ne kabi. Obi okoton na gudie. And what says
here receipt.
It's now the evidence because all times I see there's a receipt. So try I know say yeah minor you won't know exchange cash without evidence. But for the purpose of this application, you know, Skabiana exchanging also in your evidence says Skabi aha any free bar. And it's a bank statement or pay slip. And I say, evidence to justify or explain, said this is the source of my money. Now, say 50% of the work is done. A bit easier. And now, we'll be on so my application here refusal. My application refusal done. I no more DNA editing. And you know, see any year, you be copy of refusal. Here, who reason it. It's the same snippet with being so my band you. And also near the
so they won't come. We abandoned there. We won't do it. Oh, maybe it's a lawyer men call night. Yes, and see,
once when you pay slip or bank statement or evidence of the source of income, so we a juma mu be a obeje
letter from your workplace.
Or contract and so on, or the couple. Until later, never say, your mama will leave over holiday, and I say, you know, Obejoa who make a clear, and she will leave town now, day. And the American say, my young corner, Sabi and Bidi bear 1 month, 2 months.
Now they have 5 days.
And apart from that, which means also show a lot of income, you know, and that's a lot of savings. Covered now, baby, for 1 month here, adding. You know, Eden say, "Oh, bet me hotel bill." Of course, oh, Busiani Biwaha, and any panel so on a bow invite to and only a different. My account woman need,
or when you will be our, what they will buy 1 week in a will be 7 days
or 10 days.
Yes,
and I said
1 week.
No 1 week could call baby or 14 days be maximum. Now we'll call baby. And see, so when you're away now, when you'll take it, and I'll try to take it, and I said, watch it, will say, Hana me bar meda, Hana me bar me call. Me juma me in the background and nipa bi wakra na me momo so videos and pictures of ne juma ma me momo twetwa mu ba bi ne juma mu oji na store no atwa and see there's different a very serious application and see you need to understand the individual circumstances na wajina so we students who are any with the student na near just school letter a free school mo say we student they are oba obeko. And the student that we don't really need a pay slip in a bank statement or whatever, they hear a school letter. And we are normal way, then of course we can it's likely that you can get a visa to come. But above all, still now I have to advise our viewers to understand the prospect of success is 50-50, still not adding, because there may be different things that entry currents will observe when me and provide, but which means a basic way now, at least you are halfway through.
Your lawyer me patcho, what about so obi so what about pastor who don't have pay slips? Or so for our person be event TB, we need pay slip. Obeti aka say be bomb pay my queen.
Enti I'm say hananya sorry ye be ye visit and ye be visit ye be hwe
queen party.
Enti say oh yeah so for also will prove who say. And then it says can be that our council. One sorry seeker and our personal seeker. We have to distinguish.
Or yes, of no one the personal account,
yes,
separated from the church account.
Church account.
Okay.
And I said, yeah, sorry, a sponsor. I say yes, of for you then obviously so I saw no register and the documents here home the bank accounts ke come na ye be gina so. And I saw no so this to bank e dey no benya receipt. I say or the Sky Koto Bank. So evidence na your budget. So yes, often maybe wunji can I say pay. The ask offering in almost donation, almost salary.
Your salary, I donate to my man for the sketch.
We need a source of those.
Into a moment, this can be told you be found a shop.
You have to prove the source of that income. And it's ABR 10,000. I better work council and now 5,000. I better more when the transfer is any panel. We have to give a letter and then the part of the statement just say
a transfer free.
It can go as it can become as difficult as it should be, depending on the circumstances. But the bottom line is, and I'm if we 18 year, we have to always show the source of income.
Lawyer, will be say, can someone sponsoring you?
Yes.
What if you are here sponsoring the person? Obi wa promo between sponsor.
And I make us say, more had the Indiana by any woman you busia hana and so hana per se more be bar. Abia won or on crata with British book and now whatever stay I want even here copy. Baby any pan ball betna. Into evidence of tenancy agreement and a mortgage statement from wo. So once and I would see any panel a seeker and I send a bill so evidence here, chess away mine or pay slip and I say bank statement in account. But the risk is any panel or Ghana and still need to have commitment in Ghana. And so whilst there's a room sale with me as sponsor of no. So the panel need commitment on because of our uncle because or ya crano ko school dey different am ka say school letter but ntisa na se nipa no or ya panyini na onya adwuma now say
Queen birthday.
A birthday.
Okay. All right. Lawyer, or say when can the application be done? Application, no. Say a program near June.
Yes.
2nd June, and they started.
Yes. Program no. Said they can cry from January but in the peak time no.
Celebration now no. And they started
June. And so the dynamic catch a man for and say at least wait me about a week before that time.
That time. The application I'm fan to when April.
It's April now the but so we to April they are now also a priority. Priority it take just 5 working days.
April ne kwawa. April, May, June, 2 months.
So oh yeah, and I mean they may catch a more from they will be aware. So I've been telling them to do priority, which is 5 days.
Because they say when I busy.
Because we no man even the 2 months nekrana mean guarantee say on Sabeka before June and answer one.
Into an express.
Into an express we be extra I think 230 something pounds.
Okay, could you also do one has to buy the ticket, air ticket now mean plane ticket before applying for the
visit. Don't buy your plane tickets because none in your guarantees here the Bema. But we me check screens booking. No I say okay, they say now beba. If you bit me I printed that part now we are booking but don't pay for it. We pay nasi and farmer now on the airline event ticket no and I will bet me at all. But a plane ticket they won't mean koto. Or say, can I sponsor my mother from Ghana? Yes. So they kind. Obey me as sponsor Omame. Then so also Chim say Omame our commitment our Ghana and yes I umbeka soba unko bi.
So when is the Queen's birthday and the ceremony? Queen birthday no ceremony is starting from 2nd of June. And now omo started omo be anopanombe trooping in. After the trooping the Queen will light the candles. Oko website na the mama events no wo esa. Okay, lawyer, ye visitors visa application no na say mo person mo ba Queen birthday ni na no mo requirement and nyoma was say mo provide na mo de eba wo ho your opportunity kese pa grab it. Be a lawyer keka no was so nya 3,500 that account sum was so nya obi beka say in ska we de we wo de beka akotwia obi entoma beko akwaje be ma ntoma 5,000 10,000 no we say wo ba you don't score what you say enti no eye great opportunity aba beda ho edema wo bibiara me ha lawyer me pacho yanko asylum F4 so young lady ebi ene makasa wo se woni ni kunu ena eba ha omo ba akwasi adaya na me se connection mind for so mutua me ka wo Ghana muntua me ka wate mo ma mi sika ni bi na mini na me so me ye person because mo adwuma nyina me na me ma mo sa mo beteta ha no ma beje apo Queen birthday mu kra mu nim mo me ka ye ya connection ma for obi start ye na adwuma mama apofin lawyer will see obi na de number ne man from Ghana so dri ha won frɛ me woni ne kunu e na aba ahase ne kunu no ye India ni oye Ghana ni kunu ye India ni na de ma busa say na wo hia wo kunu no India ni wo hia no he na aware no o se Ghana e na o mo ba ye o mo wo baba ako hweche so mo ne akra ne ba ye wo ne me kasakra na akra ne ye dede e wo akire na o mo ya awarefo e wo aban mu na opeso okodi adru is there any chance and am busa again is opeso okodi adru o se ai nipa ne se me ba amen fro be kire me de mko amen na am say we ukodi adru obi na kire wo de o ba aka obi ani ho be kire lo ye de no be kire
I say
ye ncherese o kwa kwa say
so opeso odi adru the question you need to ask yourself why. So on what grounds?
Let me patch 1 minute why answer ne be call mo di adru so abekirem no. We say can meba ne papa wo frame answer me church o say ne papa opeso ko fa ne papa ba. Eye Queen holiday no. Na me menti ase ne papa wo 95 years. And 85 years. And wo kwa ko fa ne papa na ba. Na afa no mo ko ne papa ne birth certificate can ne be
no umunya the birth certificate, or statue declaration. Statue declaration.
Also, call my yama no until of friends a day.
And umunya birth certificate, affidavit or statutory declaration.
Affidavit or statutory. And I'm saying, now 85 years I feel I'm saying, master Simon, I'm saying, birth certificate, him crank it to acquire refuse or more. 85 for the other na fe na mokoye o papa birth certificate the amano also moko manye birth certificate na amano enti court ho
statute declaration or affidavit na best way.
Oh, okay patro yenko
obi bu say say ne maami ye old o person okofa ne maami but maami ye old he still need to have commitment. Visa application enho odin so visa no oko na oko kan say ebia wo maami o person ode ne ba na won show so commitment bia wo Ghana o be refuse no when your case work or you good the affair na but most often on be refuse on make us o maami ba on
copy
now the asylum asma na ye kan
e die dru
enti so person wo die do a wo na wo say busa ho say reason be ntia so enanye lawyer na so bi na e kiro say koka say na media draw enti genuinely no e bia wo no ukọ Ghana na o minor office so ba no we call ma you be persecuted or attacked and I say killed and I say obi a you be ostracized on say on be how just say atete on be kun ye be bo e be obi be attack you a whole lot of reason said na wo kan before no so be o ye be before enti be baby alfie
na just say be ye do baby ehu hia
obi also a gay and a lesbian so and obi also on more political
asylum
so, but Ghana no na political asylum na aiding so and asylum no enye so easy sir so we call asylum interview two things involved you have some first one called screening interview no na umusan no mabebre so abia within 1 hour or 45 minutes no more every after the screening interview number organize the main interview which can take hours over 400 questions
minimum be our could be I take in 4 hours 4 solid hours hours conversation 400 I mean the one I saw I'm fan say question is also was I think 220 questions. Yeah, they ask quite a lot of deep questions, depending the reason why. And to answer Nabe Kremu Asylum, now you must be prepared. We will reason, legitimate reason. Ebi ye gay and a lesbian. Ebi okra and now the Ghana attacking it. A whole lot of situation. Even sometimes you have something called relocation. When a caseworker is making a decision and ask for interview, people say, "I him and ya attacking and answer will slow say." Overcono or say ABM Kumase. Okay, say, okay, wait me, I call Accra and Sunyang and answer wait me, I call Tamale. So until you need to explain why Untimin call Tamale and answer Untimin call Accra. And see a very serious business. So when Tinyas any panel for say connection was meant for now, which I'm going to first Sala. Now I go through. So it's a very serious business. I had a client free, I can say Nigeria. Now, Omobano, Nancy Bibre, CC Enti Odru Porto Hana, ne genuine, and said Nukuna Penahano, and an abundance non person. The whole lot of situation, a lot of. And yes, one day were you okay?
Until do airport Port Nana,
oh dear, drone no
and the babuano or FSA you can see that the prospect is a bit stronger. Until there are a lot of things going on, maybe out or Ghana be a side in a pese at all. Until the FGM situation will be a bit drew hanoma, if it's me a crema salam. But the bottom line is adding. So Hanu Wakremu Salam no said not all the Kayakano. Now application is still pending. Not up to now. If you can for you make a decision, if it may apply for work permit, few people a yama or Modiaba, I be more class that care.
Oh, good.
That opportunity is still there for at least the whole of this year and the next 12 months. We don't know whether the government will review it and cancel it, and I say we 1 year. But that opportunity, nanti ye kasamu ma kremu asylum na edamu dada enye ye ne ayen kremu ye nipa ni bitimi ba mo so lawyer my nam say me say work permit this mean ko kremu bia na ma ka chance me ne depend on circumstance enye easy sir. Until you need to prepare.
And so your cremoni man what if you when you adwuma you onin krate say the man you refuse why 3 hours because omo asylum no a chance and ya make a decision.
These days no. These days no some of them and check. To come on do it. Omo call ya almost within you can say 4 weeks some make a decision. And to share scenario no and normally we all know some the a check. It be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. But on say yeni answer na ade beto ani ase no. Enti omunso no asonde deho. Omote ese obi person use no as a yardstick to.
Omo interview no, mo interview no at the end no mutim say dey wo kan wo boa.
Enti ye hwe sa no na eno so mo di different route bi aba say okay. Ni say yes science into Asylum can be make a decision. A business now we can say Guinea Papiano. Oh yeah, do go koi. Asem way engineer sasem yen bida. So now yeah biochrome will be run it to a safe country. Was no me Fanny Panefri had in Akubaby. Now engineer said yes sir yen be crada. But when we say Asylum decision a check and then the panel or moon farmer woman. And see, because Asylum no more refuse to ubetimi appeal process no to take time. The book run on by certification say they don't give you right of appeal. Then you have to do judicial review, and then through judicial review the asylum the court or the judge will give you right of appeal. Now samba oral hearing into a four rounds it's almost here aban who say people abusing the system in the terms you know. And yes, idea, yes, someone in the Moko baby.
Guinea Papiano.
Even not yet taste and house again, but almost
one Ghana ban rejected was me here.
And see, so what criminal asylum now? Yes, we can apply for work permit. So, what genuine reason to criminal asylum so or ban so ye bayamo. Kranen so no must spend half of their life in UK. And also, a good news a lot of parents are celebrating now because it's easy. Say, Odo Baba, I was spending half of his or her life here, or go university still so good to your school fees. School fees in so and yet a ketwa 9,000-10,000 and over. Now, chronicle school 3 years, no 10,000 every year. 30,000, excluding other expenses. And then I said, no. Sika obenye biano every year ko school beji loans apart from that every 2.5 years also raise sika ko home office application nti concession abane de abana eye na nipa bebre aba so far me say ye start here nipa be say 5 or 6 na e buy omunyina ni so manya omudi omukura na ya na ye priority to the point
na application mo de ko home office ya e ban tem sa mo letter no yende
we be on most of them no ya na be wa ye priority so priority no connect
there be no sacrifice umbrella application you say only first lawyer or application or client guidelines so ko ye bi wan enfama no
the situation is boy homoden but the work you have to do the work where it takes time and sometimes when your case worker being so bit may delay your application for very long time. And some case worker, when they see it and they realize everything is clear and explanatory, they grant it to you. But as a matter of fact, COVID has come and created a very difficult situation. In the application, it takes longer than necessary. I mean, before COVID, if you ask my colleagues that worked with me, before COVID, now me turn around 2 months. So within 2 months, actually 3 months, no one you're on character. So 1 month, 2 months, 1 month, 2 months, and I COVID by. And I didn't in Ajiago. Intama pressure.
Lawyer, yeah, na me must have questions we were
pressure. I bet that hold on. And inside there be am a bar on say am there to Jack and church for say si aje adwuma na onyenye decision nya abotre pressure of covid wo ho no but now covid the air con kakra ye bompa se eno ma betimi akofa ama yenyina
Joe lawyer me patcho me ba me question back na me bie phone lines into my friend na what do we feed na to wa ya bonus campaign TV eso e na wo aha na asem a ebunti bi da wo bete no e wa aha sei de se wo United Kingdom nko ade na se wo kromi ha na woni nkrata aha na wo se wotena na wutie wo won krata nso so na ya wo kromi ha wonye British born na woni me ya wo me konfo anochi teaching hospital ni awon so ye wo Ghana de a na wanya nkrata wo krom ha wampo naturalize say ye nyina ya naturalize become British na breni na ha ene wo se wutie because de ye wo ni krom ha mpo miss pretty patel say wo di nchemon kafe obeje ne nkrata afri ne nsam enti edru eye Tuesdays immigration hour dia aha say lawyers no mo ono so kasa say awatwa so o wan limit baby crowns or come baby crown no atene on 1 years one can or say bra office but I had a wotena ha wo ye lawyer na atena mekunya nso a office bia ni hwe wom obeka ni nyina undiluted na benya no ahanye other platform immigration ayi now lawyer lawyer no obedu atem dabi enti ahade wo ba wo betimu ye enkyerechire mu betimu ye de lawyers krante ye no aha no mbeje apo no mde akotie obu okra na lawyer nte de ekoso cause lawyer abnes campaign was a video ni bra na menhwe otie video ni wie a was yes
I mean the okay client be ba was say on lawyer kasa for Zambrano say Zambrano be any ho ebiase some way the clients in baby and otie
was the lawyer say Zambrano ba ya bude de ya faswa as work up no enye wono nko amene lady be kwasore lady no was sister abna ma kan me se hwe ka kire wo lawyer yi video no koma wo lawyer sa abna campaign say aha me lawyer so mu nyina mo ye adwuma ma aban yo mu nyina ye adwuma ma UK aban enti ade bi wo hokra na MP ye na ha apie ni abeka ho asem dadada aha ena wo bia oni sika de be ye nkrata ono atimi tena dem no na application unya ne ba bia na nka me kasa obitimi friend no aka sister o contentem na me tworo why me tworo edi 3 days me wo sa nipa kro no abie ono so so akobie studio oni lawyer te ho na me say anti brai me ma no me na obeji ma no asa na o sister bra form kasa ketwa nkete to obo na me tworo lawyer me pa chow enti wa kan ye ho a aha ya bonus campaign TV so oba relax oba no wa share video no na wa kan ye ho na ani atrase or say lawyer say obi first question or say connection man and age visa e de amano na oba wa visa no is not purposely for Queen's birthday but say oba obetimi akọ events ni bia na yes
the question is first of all it's a deception so if you are going for the visa no say oba events ya na say oba be hwe hanoma. And then that's the reason here, OJ visa, you have to commit to that purpose.
But or say, me fan say, one no the Warbana service and your Queen birthday in Tin Warba, any amani 6 months, or be dream has so bet me a cohebi.
Yes, is open to everybody. You don't need to.
Obi so question is sister Abana, please. I assuming my father is a drug trafficker in Ghana, and you don't like it, but he wants you to own the business, but you want to run away. In this case, can you still seek that asylum?
Somebody said that.
Somebody
said report your father to be arrested. It's very interesting. So you have to give them your father's information for arrest. Okay, that's interesting. I mean, of course, you know, you need evidence to confirm, say, papa now, or can say drug trafficker. And not just a drug trafficker, but also a dangerous, you know, to the community, you as well. If your contact, and it's one yes, age man, name hopefully beating me. But I said, you will be kind, you know. say who was that information there, then the
you
home
report
office
it,
or the police will require you to give them
what
information.
the other whole control investigation, I'm not over from no crab and no so some metro said on YouTube or say a free man or say please my dad want to sponsor me. What document would he add to my invitation letter?
I mean, it's difficult to answer this question. I mean, I need to know your circumstances. I need to know what your dad is doing, what you're doing home. That is based on that. Meet me who say okay, documents we know what they can. But generally, say they can say open say sponsor will be for visit visa, will be here pay slip, bank statement, any panel a proof of ID, will be here no. And a letter can which is on a sponsor. And the banner will be here the birth certificate. Proves we're related.
Or see if you are here with a charity visa and it expires, how would you get the certificate of sponsorship? Now, maybe phone lines into. Was say Bridget or say Auntie Abana, if you are here with a charity visa and it expired, how would you get the certificate of sponsor for the care?
So getting certificate of sponsorship, I mean sponsorship, I can't say.
Sponsorship letter with the as a carer.
You need to look for a company or sponsor. So that is the starting point. You need to get a company or no sponsor, and a company in a bit amount that sponsorship letter. And it's when you are a company or sponsorship letter, then you can have the sponsorship letter.
Actually, for me, that would be me be phone lines no Eddie atum me power chow met wadaroma and family number will be after the program no wobet me Eddie program no Eddie many panel wo share Eddie man will be a ufu so be benefit ewo ho and as my abekan very good very good mo more krom ha say no Asylum seeker for opportunity no abade amamu nyina enye me kowo say I want kra na ye student last week Friday no lawyer kan say mo amaba school na empo wo mo kra na lawyer yeso say no de aba ne say wo make school fees na wo fie na police for aba ho ye be chew enti na chese mo no kra na amaba na school ne kra mo se mo nko no say mama student visa no atija Asylum ene wo ho no me pa cho me ba Asylum ene wo ho no ekwan bebre ne krom abefa so abetimi enya won krata number ne 00447502422799 all the numbers no e wo screen so me pa mo cho de end 200 200 no eye WhatsApp only Mesremo, mon friend or WhatsApp nko me pa mo cho why mesremo number no egugu screen so ofre na enye ene nkomo ne kra ye bedi ne kra na abeti ebusa question bia lawyer so office number mascot solicitors omo office number ene wo no fra sim pese me book appointment ene lawyer ekasa omo be book appointment ama omo consultation eye £50 eye £150 but because of omo buy a program isunti no omo gi £50 me patron e da ho no e mo wudin ofra me modin ba ofra no office wodi abodin hello made of me patron yenko
patron ka facility number 7 who say me the student visa and a buy and me the buy so school ma anko na me in so I spy the same siki
ukodi adro aha kan dro
so person will do a draw also with you at the quinty episode will do a draw.
School.
Will be provided reason, but of course, Uba say we a student and a kind of visa a bit complex, but you need to have a reason to episode will claim asylum. Why?
Not just say what's na ha.
But say we won't me sponsorship for care within and a company behind me and one was saying.
Well, no, Ankasana in the first place will visit a student visa and Ekutan or my revoking. And to their immigration will not even trust you to go ahead say sponsorship lands scratch. So be the Mawa. Any partner immigration will still refuse the application, I can tell you. But of course, Unya care based Germany they will expect you to go back home and do the application. But what the entry clearance officer will say is, "Uji student visa ban or buy one school." until they don't even believe so. We care be send the ma
Oh.
Until you are in a very difficult position, but there's no harm in trying. So when your care company non person almost sponsor, you know, you can go ahead.
It's a truly tangible idea. Meet me, Eddie.
So
what tangible reason, dear, will be to me? I think so. So, free office now, cotton and him na kasa. Why? Yo, me pamocho, Miss Ramo, Madawroma, number 799. No, I don't say, what's up for will be a free, was so, and known to snow over friend, not will be agina, and so numbers ninging on your penny, 0044 75024227799, another number is 0044 741750499. Another number is 0044 7861705200. Me paucho ofre emubia na lawyer ebe you are no wasam a opeso kan ofra me modi mesro. Hello me pacho yen komedo fo pa. Amen.
Now the set the application and no movie to and I echo through court, in through court, no court, decided that almost some money.
Oh, good.
There's 4 months to me. No, 5 months.
Me patcho. Also 5 months in the one tier or monka. Okay.
And to say an American, generally, you know, the delay of a home office court, you know, delay of
baby, I delay
a normal program kakra. And Tinia Butre, and I saw catch all your veteran.
Why 4 months in the why?
On the Berman, Tinia Butre kakra. Delay of I have to be honest with all our viewers. Say delay unprecedented. Why?
This is some patcho train ebeba. Why? Ya wada bramie mompaye na ebeba. Wate? Yenko yin family. Aha. Bye. Hello, mid of me patcho yenko, sweetie.
Hello, good afternoon, lawyer name Mabana.
Legend 1, legend yenko.
Yeah, legend for the Yama.
What by yenko?
Lawyer na me pisa ne se we de mesre na yi ni nipa wa se wo wufia nka wo bi na aboa for sa visit application ni te betimi na ba na yenya no contact ni we ya se be ye bitimi amu obi atimi akohia no fie wo fie ni we na nke ave ho kwa ti o se betimi de ba ko mienu bi nso afọ aba
yo legend dey no for so ne obekasa me patcho ye dey better screen so say see why patcho why ye beke ka dey ato so me that say nyame enhira opa me patcho mo amubusa number no YouTube no the same number na ye 0044750242279 the same number na no ana ubetimi e dey afre e wo ye de dey frefre no na no na YouTube for no so no mo betimi e dey afre enti me patcho dey do say wo bebo hwi akọ YouTube lawyer you know hello me patcho sweetie yam komedofo. Hello. Yes, darling, you were sweetheart.
Sister, na me lawyer say hello.
Yes, darling, sweetie yanko, me patcho yanko.
Na me lawyer say like say this no resting shadow.
Oh, we'll be afraid to wear him. Hello, me patcho yanko, sweetie. Hello, me patcho menti wo through ho yanko wine patcho. Me say mo fra ya ma muntie mo ho free mo ho why me patcho good morning sweetie yanko. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, darling, sweetie yanko.
Good morning.
Good. Lawyer was so abekroma for a long time or person could a draw.
And we need to have reason here of a so dear draw.
Lawyer say or patcho was so we not reason tia was so dear draw in kabuku appointment in Ebra no one turns in komo. Why me pacho? Who a long time still grab it in your dear Drew. Name them was so your reason.
Yeah, but the prospect of success no, very low.
Very low.
Because Umbeka say Ubetina had a dada when dear Drew.
I say and the share
but we just have to make them aware.
Okay. Okay. Yo, it's me pacho lawyer say bra na montans na munim komo. Why? Hello, me da for pa me pacho yen call sweetie. Yo, me pacho yen call.
Hello?
Yes, darling. Me pacho yen call. Me pacho me tie wo ho fi ho.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Me a student. Okay, me pacho, me a student. Na me baha 2020 February. Na me buy. I say me buy no. Me na me partner wo krom ha dada. Inti na me ye application for partner application, but not in 2 years no. Ana COVID inti me COVID extension man ko Ghana. Na student route nso be start 1st July. Ana na me visa nso be wu ending of June. But this year no, home office for application na me any na no. My reply me enra say omo njentum na wo say me nsan call Ghana back omo ma me 2 weeks. It pacho me this say
Mami ya wuti who from me pacho wo so pese o mama o 2 weeks say ko Ghana back ho.
Ani but me a student am back school ha mewie. Na na me visa ni be wu June. And na student route no so start July. Last year. Let's start 1st July. But May no me the application to partner application. But and then na home office for me say me can call back to Ghana or my refusing the application. It is still student route in a train and center train.
So mama, any student route application I will call ye partnership application me boa.
Ane, but me pa say mama su aha no. So me the student route ni to mana.
Lawyer, what did your person chena say? Me patcho wa was ni gina so. Was say wa ba has student wa be ko school na wi. Also, the new law by student route is a student visa na ye dem ma 2 years visa student route visa no. Or qualify for it. But ne visa ne wu. Wa kwa ye sa student route ni bi. Wa ye partnership. And also we are
partnership no May.
Okay.
Na me visa so be June ending. And na student route nso start 1st
meba one any student route application I would call two mu meboa name what the partnership what the aware and a call two mu
the partner employee
sorry na ya na mo partnership ni aware ni nyine kro mo fa na de kro lawyer or the partnership ne ko two but mo refuse the partnership no enti no person who say o mo refuse say on ko Ghana omo man 2 weeks on free crew man ko Ghana or person who says so betimi use student route nana ne visa na wu
well me I was me who we into me nyina fidie we so answer question is more complex than yes
the yenye kan
you know I was here who reason still omo refuse to you know and now who can say school no ko school no we school no we ade be ntina bia o ha na we school na wan ko school no e be kana normal revoke student visa no in place
of the school no koi
into a
we school no ba say school ayi wan ko apply visa you know sa student route visa na ye dem mo nyo na akọ apply o ko apply partnership lawyer me person busa say ye refuse na partnership no obetimi akọ apply for sa student visa na ye dem mo after graduate visa no graduate visa no betimi apply
sent to what was certificate or how graduate
me patcho was certificate e kire so wa graduate
me patcho ani
okay into power betimi after office na
okay.
Looking into 18
lawyer say friend no why na wow Ghana ne de won why na eye amon fa hye mutimu say sa partnership na nkofo ye mamo no it is our real to qua. Yes, yem fam mount. I just walk over another bar, and I know you phone on a partnership in a working man.
Is a fat word, no, near the word, so I was a only lawyer Casanavia lawyer and a church almost say, any say, and I was all fast.
Hello, made off me, Pacha Yanko, our line is in the uncle.
Senior Brown, good afternoon.
Okay.
Michelle video mama now for Ghana concerning health care. Now, the Bacho Muppet over here B1 exams in the Moya Moon, baby, Moka
B1 exams no. Me Pacho, Mubefre a British Council Ghana. British Council Ghana. Auntie me Pacho Uti. A British Council Ghana. And I will be free warm. Ewo Ghana. Why? Na makwa akoye. Sao, when you go school home. Oh, good. Why are they? Bye. Miss me that say. Hello, made of me cramantis. Okay, senior. Made of me pacha yanko. Hello, wow. Yes, darling yanko.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sweetie.
Yes, who program is to call your name? Before war, yet college Yammy Abba. Now, Sister Musu, me program more pie in there. And yet, you can continue with you. Oh, yeah, European Union, you too. You can be and Kadako Naka Obisa over European Germany, another Holland, another other European country. You are in the number of Chinese, you be someone and some Alpha and Carter.
But your Martine Momono, my trial. Now, to get Ghana ni lawyer, or other Europe, no, easy. Wunya, Wukra baby, I want no Ghana for lawyers or
sometimes Frank Bridge or Frank Henry, Mohan the power be said.
Henry
said Mohan the power. Sometimes also UK.
Maybe Minya will be crowd America. Minya lawyer be America. But lawyer no na me ne kasa me ne kasa mo me ne kasa to us there 4 times. Na mo say no lawyer or 419. And I'm a Janet, let me say no. I quite be called to meet me Busan asem. I don't know Becca myself Busan the same as some cronano. No way in no. Me was searching be answer me no. Now me was after a go one change you in watch nam say no. I quite way 419. And I say no because me be ye do mama. I'm uncle for about ho. Me new croniso. Lawyer Frank, so ye bibi and one is me 2 car. Ako baby our one ye police mumro match no my fananko. But a chrono minisubi obi kwa me wana bibi kosia ana woko ju obi bibi a mintimi mefa pray through America. Mefa pray through baby a wono ma especially Germany, Holland ma try Italy kura de ho. Italy de me say Ghana lawyer kura de minim ma pebi minya. Ba omo ame ubenya wo mo no. Me contact you will be Italy or your bar or send me my advice. No, me say your advice na me pe lawyer. But unya. And a Ghana for doctors. They may be Italy. Let the be first doctor be in our dear which is on your way. See in our dear. What one you kuna one you couldn't buy says yes, a woman. A tomokonya will be a Omuko hospital pa wono. And the chum say in our dear. Enti no na ope ontika ni kunu tika saba omunya Ghana for lawyer ntino omunya lawyer mbedi abwa ni kromi ha kewraba no nko adidi enti sata na mepe Ghana ni lawyer power Italy enko fam contact omunya no sister munya Ghana ni lawyer ha ba wo benya advices enko fo matana wa ache ti se bia me ntana ha eni ahe bia wo sumi ni mra misua wo benya bi me wo ba no mfa nko na me be become nya lawyer. Enti brasa na tie mepe ti mo so mo pepe bi mame why opa na ma manini pa no na manini pa na kasa ne metie hello me dof me pa cho yanko e last 3 course ne yanko
hello
yes darling suri yanko lo yetie o
Good afternoon. Me have 4 years ago, me papa ne wuye. Me mama ware me mama pro da me papa na me wo. If you wuye me ya first born na ese me ba. If you see me wie me call Ghana na me sa bed you. Bana the way me step mother ne me anu mo ye no. Na me pese me hwese me papa we japade bi wa ha say ni tinti man ko because me kwa me ni obi a. Na me pa ye ne me ye se me ya aware ma ye 2 times you see me ba na me person me bisa be see abet
Gina so
Asylum no many aba o see who reason ti apeso o kremo asylum no so
me papa wo no pena na me
na sister papa wu a
me ni eyi bia
o papa wu a eno enye duduro it doesn't matter so o papa wu a o papa wu a ekromi ha o papa wu a enye asylum se bedi aduro wo maame nso so awu a wo wanyini wo age no wanyini wo obesen
passion no 30 years
na say wo ya sister enti wo sister 38 wo maame wo papa wu a live your life enti no eno ne de tenase na strategy wo ne pa bibi foforo ade bedi aduro adi aduro no kojina o ka so wo maame no papa wu mu obi omoma wu ni aduro a wo kura no wa hekura to ne abecho se kan ho kofie ko ware ena mind you say wo so wedding kan ahia wo bi ene na ware twice wa ya ware emienu ni nyina ya amfa ama enti ni nyina no ye pon a wo frɛ me why frɛ me na me ni woni nkomo ye nkeka ne o mansi ani why me dase hello mini abema yenko hello mini abema mpacho yenko me pacho yenko
yo me pacho lawyer me pese me dita say me papa ene de me buy na o de me buy no me koye best sex agodo obeye miensa ni nyina no omo refuse na imagine the first one enye by matrix ye kokoye bi still omo fama ye sam koye for still omo fama me pese me hu say omo de letter ne ba no mo ka say ye wo other proof wa ye famra ye ni bi nso a ye nkokos nti me pese me hu ne me
if I show wait my office near booking appointment no man who reason na omo refuse na the busa and send it depend on that no the men who kwai ebe faso why
me that say hello me pacho your last caller why was no young call yeah Joso
pacho the question person busala say my worry European and omo country no more accepted one nationality inti member na no woman omo based on omo mama dey so nationalized and omo so about British because they will just let me add the Ghanaian passport from 190 are they allowed to hold like 3 passports if possible?
Obviously, we name the European country no more laws, so but now you're British citizen now you're Ghanaian, and I say descendant of Ghana, and I'll be to me hold the Ghana passport.
Me patro lawyer say ubetimi hold the Ghana passport. Ye nyemre mu wa ha no betimi ajo British passport at the same time hold the Ghana passport.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Es lawyer who can obi eye.
Oh eye. And details na come there to hono.
We okay. Sem fanto. Number some no kasa. Okay, right. Okay. Me but omo family ni me mansa. Me no be kasa ansa. Why? Me mansa. No na me beto. Me pa mo cho lawyer partners now omo Ghana no. Number nie. Wo hwehwe lawyer Frank. Na wunya no bia wo Ghana. Na wo pese ohima birthday ya ekwe no baso no wo pese wonya application enfa ema wa owo anase student visa ma mo ye student no mo pese mo fa lawyer ensem ema ne boa mo ema mo ba lawyer Frank the student emrebi wo be kan ye se wo ba ewa ha na bi akra ne wo ba secondary school betimi ama aba na ba school ha enye university nko an e ba no abrochire oba no ewo secondary school person mbra ha se a akra ne betimi aba oniwo bi a through lawyer beboa obehwa akra no ba bi akra ne beda ne hostel a obeda obeko school akohwa akra no obehwe ne tese wa awoba e de amount eno no ne nyina no wo ga a wo be contact Abi Abel ena hwan Mashak okay Abel number no ye Abel Ghana Abel ye 00 and a plus 233 244 12 pachomochro Ghana 0402 Abel Mascot Solicitors Ghana Abel
not Mascot Solicitors
enye Mascot Solicitors okay wo dey no Abel Ghana eye plus
offer okase Mascot Solicitors
offer no okase Mascot Solicitors a omo no obedi nkoma get all your documents omo de bibia adama lawyer me ba mo choya fa course na wie mo friend lawyer eye plus 233 244 120402 Abel plus 233 244 120402 Ena aha say so no eye Queen birthday ma mo pese mo frɛ lawyer Frank ewa ha say no mo frɛ eye say Mark Shack we Ghana new two friend a ha mo so okaka brofo Mark Shack ne number ye 077 07 30 6064 077 Mark Shack 077 30 6064 me pamocho wa wo do question by ya yentimi enyi wo question no anono kofi otin wo si no sound o kofi ene kofi me pacho efri wo ho enti wa ye Virginia me nshra pa enti wa wantimi anwura mu no mesro lawyer e number ne da so no eye Mascot Solicitors omo number ne da so no obetimi a contact wo mo after the program no ana ye program ya wo frɛ officer also person lawyer Frank ekasa ombeju details what your consultation fee lawyer ba one wo ebetwe enkomo lawyer me pacho wo bibia pesa wo kana ye di dwumedi no bere
etiefo edama say semunya amre na mutie ye say etena ha de kan koye ankoye monfanche as I always say it's learning in progress Mascot Solicitors yabase yebeboa community no ene munyina be ye adwuma na enkonimdie aba Ghana ye community na makoma so ade say ye nyina Ghana ni ba bia ha bia no yebete emlase na yetimi atena ha asundwem na mo pe lawyer obetimi aboa mo so a monya lawyer Mascot Solicitors ya he will be there for you until your case is resolved, either immigration, family litigation, conveyancing, wills and probate. Mascot Solicitors are there to assist you in as much as we can. And I said that now man for pressure, ne enquiry say about menya able able details but to jaye mo friend and my catches lawyer Frank Mascot Solicitors and to obeto ne boahwe mo se mo pay school and service visa and also person offer UK direct and so offer Mark Shack number na ye de to ho no na and so no obeti take you through the process ebia we say ebeto manim so aba beto manim yenyina yenya abotre akomapa ene odo yemfanya adwuma ne yenso yemfanta ladies compare adwuma oye boa Ghana for testimony ebana is amazing but yenya akomapa ne adwempa ne edempa aboteche I believe say bedru baby no Ghana for ha say no yenkrata mu anase asetena mu ebe bokwa emfa wo ha bebre emaye medamase bye bye
yeda lawyer ase lawyer enso so ema bai na me kanfo akire wo say ya wada nyame ya domu a empaibo kase bi eba so ya wada no pa bi avg this Thursday me pese me hu empaibo ono de empire de bi ba avg upon beat ni nyina ne kalafe kokokokokoko upon beat ni nyina no uyi empaibo free mu a enye ye ya wade bia mpaibo kese pa ekoso e was campaign fan club so do you need campaign fan club me bo VGD ma wo ka campaign fan club mpaibo kese pa ekoso e wa bonus campaign outreach TV so a friend no emergency hour pray until something happen and ampa uban so a ye bo mpa ye ma awurade kasa osuru ebie minimu how minimu amane lawyer person sorry minimu how amane watete bi a wokom ade bi a wabɔ ho mpaye ache wo bia ntimi emmoa ade se awurade ntimi sre obi biara mema invitation a special invitation ya wade bia ade dose won so do ho bo awuraba no me hu emergency hour ache ya wade bia mpaye bo kese ekoso me pa wo chew obi biara obi biara emra eye yare eye amane eye wo haw eye atete minima de da wo so awurade wontumi nye emfa emaw anopa 10 o'clock pepepe sharp na ya shaase na ya dem paebo agina mu gidigidi emra ye wo mu no nya mra e wo so wo tena se saa mre we sore waka bia wudie wutie mo sister me de mo wiase nyoma nyina me wo me fie me se me fie awie me wo me Range Rover mapake me wo me nkrata me wo me ma me wo me kunu me pa cho da bi bra ne be bompaye esekio obi wo ho a wonya nkrata ada wonya nkrata ape ene obubugu dem obi wo ho a ada onya aware pe ene eto ne yefunu mu se awo pa de ye ma wo bi da Bible ne kura ma yeti ase wasenye ne honam ne moja na enya na emom ye ni wie matufo empanyindie abayi kirikire abonsanfo wo mo aye no mo kobai no obi ho ne yesere kwawo me paw chobra ne bebo mpaye ye nua ba ma bi eye last week program so ye nua ba ma bi die was or die no so die oso die nyeso ni nkrata wo won nkrata wo kromi hankrata won ne yire ne manete oso daye na ye nyankire scorpion akanensa oda sorry ye wo kwa adwuma o baby a ye nyankire no se ye nyankire ne ka no scorpion na anko scorpion ni wura ni widiem oda sorry ye no na mark eda ho wampamwa o si fama wo kwa adwuma no ene wo pahwe ye the same nensa no ena ebuye sese wabubu ote ho wabubu te ho ontimi nsore no wakwaba wan ne ka kire wo se tumi bi ni baby me pa cho bebom paye na je wo kra esi ho enkwa enehia ye nyina ya wie wo koda na wusu enura na me ne lady bi kasa wo sister aware edo na wo pointing nkofo bi kire me sese nkofo maware no mani age na hwan wonko a wo kohye dem na wusu bibi nti me patcho sister branie mompaye eye yare e no bonefo de atoso emergency a wanyame wo ye de bi nsi da eye nkrata asem e no de ye bonus nti ya na me pese meka eye wo bi a wo pa adwuma ye wo pa visa de atukwan me say ya wada mo beti testimony every week de awrade ye ebro so de awrade ye na watwi bia e wo emergency a wa ebro so empire body adoso wo beti na wo so Facebook a wo be ko bi ye bompaye enye nkom show enkom hye ne de ye be hyew but kompai bo a sofo ne awrade wa apam covenant apam ni awo kasa osoro e authorize within 11 hours miracle besi ampa na miracle si enura bra bia wo frɛ ya wo di adanse e wo se sofo obo sofo panyini bebrefo di medi asofo achi ade wei ma bre enso sinsa me hu wo no osoro akasa lawyer fo nyina hunu se ampa ewurade owo emergency hour enti me pa wo chew wo se mo amaso amone so abre wa wo komu buobra na mema wa home obi baka kire me se me die mi hia hwe be bompaye ma wo kra obi benya wa na firi yare obi wo wiase japade nyina enso wontimi nsore no wakwaba owo sika pa enso nya aduane bia na otimi di Joyce Jefferson oye doctor owo so mumusa no obi wo sika pa enso wontimi ni nkyene ontimi ni ko bi momone yesimu woni emu keke wontimi ni bi owo sika pa obi wo sika pa owo nkrata owo kunu owo ma enso sabi onama na roba ehye ha odwunso di gum bra nebe bompaye mentena wansa na me kanfo di amount as a cosmetic cocktail and a air frewo no cosmetic cocktail a Mother's Day baso a match ya me patcho surprise wo yire surprise wo mame surprise wa downfall wo yire di ni birthday wo kunu di ni birthday obi ye bibi or ye all event a cosmetic cocktail ba and a air frewo no me pa wo chow wo ye event bia na omo betimi abaye omo cocktail ewo ho ama na ye fe ubehu na omo kra glass entiantia ne ahihye kube ene nneoma ewo so UK hade enipa ba kope se wodru party ase na wo hu se cocktail glass ne entiantia na flower bi hihye mu na panie bi wrewremu a na eye cosmetic cocktail enko ono na last 2 weeks or yeah Valentine dinner no na ye wono a wo monko a me pa wo chew wo betimi a oda me yesimi fi a me nya visitor me ankasa na makofa glass tiani bi obre mi bi na me de ade bi wo de ade bi kan ho straw bi na me de asia na me de asia na me hwia gum na me de abesi wanim eye fresh eye kama flavors difference bebre na no mo bo nso so efo enti me pacho obetimi a contact wo mo ne telephone number at the screen so eye cosmetic cocktail na wa contact no aba be all your events ni nyina e de amount so wo pe home delivery wa wo ye wa de na wo mpese mo be ba be serve de amawa ebi nie eba ade we mu anewo de ode bre me first one asa e ma serve ma hoho amanasa ene wa bre me ma order foforo enie flavors bebre vanilla mi we me de pa ena ma order we so ye ginger enti no ane se oba wo de bibia be ka ho de abro na wa hwiegumo bi ye party wadan for bi di ne birthday Mother's Day drew so ye bi ne fama wo nkofo wo de address ne mana surprise obebie ne door surprise na postman abe deliver kama fefe na ode amano na me kanfo Kumasi market e de amount se Kumasi market ye da wase bebre nyame nhraw skin pain fan club da wase omo ye one of our patrons wo ma bre ye se ne etie nie ye da masefo ani kire ye Kumasi market pekam na ekodi wudwa nyina e wo Kumasi market ukwa all the African bia no aduane bia no obenya bi e wo Kumasi market Brago catering services to monsa de afro wo ye party all your event wedding everything me pacho contact Brago catering services na wo munye wunu ane ma Mother's Day yi ba Brago ye nuane e de amama me pacho wo yire a wo da aduane Mother's Day me ma wo yire nya aduane eno ntina na me kanfo cosmot e de ama no me this Mother's Day me si fam ma be ye aduane o dabi eno ane se fa telephone ne free Brago catering services wo si Brago me yire me pesa wo ye aduane ema me yire Brago be hihye nuane e wo kenten mu apampan mu na wo de abramo enti me pa cho contact Brago catering services na woni ne eni sa awoso wo ye event bia me pa cho frɛ no palito sheto to ne nsa e de afro o pe sheto wanwaso ye sheto we wo be ka setetene no na ne ediko school ye nya omukɔ boarding school ye ko school a obehu se wo sheto no ye twitwa na ntwinam ne twie mu na ensesa no agim me pacho ebi ena sabre palito ye no Pearl Spring me pacho contact no when ye event nko a wo fie kra na wutimi ma ne ye wo sheto de bro snacky snacks to monsafro for your party, your wedding, funerals, all your events, Christine baby shower me pacho ma ne ye finger foods emfa emro snacky snacks na une no eye eni ensa wo so one snacks any ensa woso meda wo bibiara se nyame enhira wo bibiara one metena se ebepem sa brei bia wo adwuma bi se na Jefferson bebie ne you need surgery also bebie surgery GP surgery nyina ekoye adwuma wo ho oba bebie ne surgery wo adwuma bi na wo pese abundance campaign outreach TV ye mo ho dawuru emfama anointing eba so enwosra eye adwuma what you say enwosra ye adwuma no apratete ne hyetokrom kura ye kasa gusu bompa ye gusu a osuru ebie enti wo adwuma bi na wo pese ye advertise emfa ema wa me patro betimi de aba ena we say so a ye team ne de abehjem bi apese wo ye announcement wa de ayira obi ayira wo ye yie wo ye party wo pese wo ye announcement for bibia ho a obetimi a contact me by email so and I inbox the team no and I contact abundance campaign my personal number 004475024227999 into person when me di ensa wosoa obetimi afrɛ me and I will frame me team na omonde wo bekasa person we announcement for bibia ofreyenya ye no bekasa we are there to support the community into community na adwuma na so no na ye eno enti meda munyina mase Gladys Kondia we did Gladys Kondia me invite what we minua enti na me so we did me invite Thursday Gladys come na ye mompaye ya wada nyame eye adomo a adwoa bonsu adwoa Thursday me ma wo special invitation me de empire de me pe eno na ekura ye because we ni bibia ebo ho ban Joyce Jefferson we see Joyce senior nurse me pacho bra ya wada na empire wo de wo so dada Jack JARKB Jack B me pacho YouTube for say he fana live be so na ye mpaebo no me pacho Facebook ya enkwa na ye mpaebo no nti mesremo Dina Aboaje ya wada nyame ya adwuma Dina momra na ye nyina ye mpaebo Matilda Thursday nyame ya adwuma mesro bra